Hey everybody, it's Drake, El Guapo. Ready for another great adventure? Today, Nassau, Bahamas. Yes, another cruise port, very built up for cruisers. And we're gonna go over some things, some do's and don'ts, what I found about going to Nassau. So come on, let's go. Refreshing. Because the Bahamas are strategically located, certainly Nassau, in order to be very close to the New World of America, the British have forts that are set up around these islands. It was a British colony. You can check out these forts and they're really neat. Oh, hell no.
Don't wanna hear about it. Every single one's got a story to tell. Everyone knows about it. From the Queen of England to the Hounds of Hell. And if I catch it coming back my way, I'm gonna serve it to you. And that ain't what you want to hear, but that's what I'll do. Don't wanna hear about it. Every single one's got a story to tell. Everyone knows about it. From the Queen of England to the Hounds of Hell. And if I catch it coming back my way, I'm gonna serve it to you.
Stop. Hammer time.
And that ain't what you want to hear, but that's what I'll do.
John Watlings Distillery. Again, being on the islands, very big into rum. A long time later. Party time! Downtown and Bay Street. One of the more famous beaches and unique is Jaws Beach. This beach was used in the movie Jaws. And I think that might be kind of cool just to say, hey, I went to Jaws Beach, take a little picture. They don't have the big shark, the mechanical kind of stuff, no. But it's nice to see in the setting of what they used. I think it's pretty cool. There's Pirate Republic craft beer. So if you want to settle in and enjoy a brew, not a problem. I need a cold beer. When you're first exiting the port, you are going to go through a big yellow building. They have bathrooms, there's the clock tower, and in there, if you're thinking about going through downtown, are maps that you can pick up that will show you areas and directions. Duel over. If you go through the building, there's a huge display of maps. No. If you do want to swim with stingrays, that's available as well. It's called Stingray City. For most people visiting the Bahamas, they would stay around port. Certainly for Atlantis and the water park, or going down to Baha. There are a lot of things to do. Some of the beaches in the Bahamas are not as well groomed. They aren't as pristine as other beaches of other parts and other places. That's just a consideration. There are better places to snorkel than the Bahamas, and there certainly are better beaches. The beaches around port, look, you get what you pay for. They're free. You can rent out the umbrellas and the lounge chairs, and obviously there's alcohol available, but they aren't at the prettiest beaches. That's terrible. Parliament Square. Lukka Kairi, which is a restaurant that is world renowned. That's way cheap. I'd buy that for $1. One thing about the Bahamas and Nassau is Bay Street, which is the main thoroughfare. If you go south of Bay Street at night, please be very, very careful. There are nightclubs on Nassau. You'll have Aura Nightclub, which is like a James Bondy kind of nightclub. You don't have to get super dressed up, but that's the kind of vibe to it. There's also a nightclub called Bambu, and that's a little bit more relaxed, a little bit more laid back. Depending on time of year, some spring breakers come down to the Bahamas as well. So keep that in mind. If you enjoy this channel, please remember to like, subscribe, and click on the notification bell so that you're informed about every time that we post a new video. We'd love to see you and have a wonderful day. Thanks for your support. Frozen daiquiri. This is part 2 of a video. I couldn't put all of it into one video, so please check below for the first one in the series. Thanks. I need tacos. Bye.